In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checkout pages in Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished, high-converting checkout experience using Kartra's built-in tools. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kartra. Click the official Kartra website in the results to avoid any lookalike pages. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account credentials. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill, and always ensure you're on a secure connection before entering any details. Inside the dashboard, head to the left sidebar and select My Pages. Click the plus page button to create something new. This is your starting point for either a standalone checkout page or a checkout embedded within a sales page. You now have two options. You can choose a checkout pages template to get a ready-made structure designed specifically for purchases, or open an existing sales page if you want the checkout to live alongside your sales copy. Templates are great for speed. An existing page is ideal if you're keeping everything in one flow. Fill in the basic details. Give your page a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Assign it to a category that matches your product type or funnel stage, and select a site if you're organizing related pages together. Consistent naming and categorizing will save a lot of time as your library grows. Next, open the Components panel from the left sidebar and drag the checkout placeholder onto your page. Place it where you want the form to appear in your layout. Think about visibility above the fold and how it will look on mobile. Hover over the checkout placeholder and click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the configuration panel where you'll connect the form to your offer. In the sidebar, select your product funnel. This ties the checkout to your pricing, payment options, and any associated upsells you've already set up. Pick the correct funnel so the right product and price show at checkout. Choose your checkout layout. Traditional is a step-by-step flow that moves customers through details, payment, and confirmation in sequence. Two-step collects key details first and then reveals payment, which can reduce friction on some offers. Pick the one that fits your audience and the complexity of your product. When you're ready, open the Actions menu. Preview to test layout and mobile responsiveness. Save progress frequently so you don't lose edits. Save as template if you plan to reuse this design. Publish live when everything looks good, or return to the dashboard to continue later. That's it. Your Kartra checkout page is ready to convert.